Today I am going to show you how to find email address you use to sign up for Facebook. It's super quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Facebook and go to menu to access settings. Next, tap on the gear icon. In the account section, find personal and account information. Now go to contact info. Here you will see your email address as well as your phone number. And here is a handy tip. If you want to add contact info to your Facebook profile without disclosing the email address or phone number you use to sign up, you can add different ones here. Just tap add phone number or add email address, type in the new info, and Facebook will send a code to confirm. Once you enter the code, your new contact info will be added. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like, it helps me out. Thank you.